Tables are dynamic and allow you to add or delete columns and rows, and they automatically will be built into the table. So we'll place our cursor in the table, go insert, insert table. Our table has headers, make sure your table also has headings, and OK. Obviously you're going to get all the filters, the normal filters that you get that we've dealt before, and the cosmetics. We could ask for the total row. So if we show the total row, and we can see it giving me the totals, and we can actually also see it does the other options like count, average, etc. Can actually take them off and go and add our name in, and you'll see automatically that Arnold has been included into the drop down. It's a really great dynamic tool that Excel's created.